Hello, I am giving you the introduction to JavaScript. And today I am learned that how to code JavaScript. As you can see, it's a simple code that I have run. Now the title of a course is alert. The file is output.html. We use the tag of script in which we use alert hello world. If we save it, if we run it, as you can see, a pop-up box of hello world is shown in the output. So this is the method you can pop up any pop-up box in the output in internet. I am using Edge. So here is no script. In no script nothing is shown. As you can see, now I write document dot write hello world in h1 brackets. So when I save it or refresh it, it prints only hello world. No pop-up box or pop-up box is shown. So it's only write the document which is the hello world. Now if I remove the h1 tags in the hello world, what happens is it shows when we refresh. Look, nothing happened, but only the hello world is shown simply. Hello world is become smaller, like only paragraph, because h1 tag is removed. Now if we change the text again, code again, now we have id of test and is a tester, and we have a script of document.html by id in which the test is from not inverted commas and it says hello world. What happens if we save, refresh it? It doesn't paste, or it doesn't output tester, it output hello world. This is because that we create a id test, so it look for where is id test. Here it is id test, so it's output the value of the whole id, which is hello world. Another thing about the JavaScript is the old rule we knew about HTML, that if we have two IDs, it doesn't look for the second ID, it only execute one. So if we don't have one ID of same name, now we can refresh, now we can save it. So it's output tester, not hello world, because it doesn't execute the second ID, it only executes the first ID. The console, it doesn't showing any hello world, but hello world is in the console. If we is in the console. Now you are sure you are asking that where is console. So for console in Edge, we go there and we choose more tools. In it we select developer tools. Here it is, and here is the console. Now you can see that the console log saves the hello world in the console, not in the page, but in the console. Now so far you have learned that how to write the basic simple JavaScript code in HTML. It's a basic HTML, JavaScript and HTML. Now we are doing this on a professional level, or what are you saying, upper level. So what it is, we learned how to write, how to have an alert box in the internet browser, how to have code written directly with the using of script, and what is the function of console log, what is the function of document write, what is inner HTML, the basic concept of IDs, and this is a concept you need to know. IDs are used comprehensively. IDs are used many a lot in the core in the JavaScript, and the many internet browsers have different developer tools. In Edge, it has a developer tool. In Mozilla Firefox have its own, Chrome have its own. So you can do it in any browser you like. I personally like Edge because by using it on regular basis, it's very secure and safe and incredibly fast. Yes, you can say that Chrome is better. So it is very fast and secure and lightweight. And yes, you can say that Google Chrome has better extension and better better outside third-party extension, but the main quality of Edge, which I personally most like, it doesn't display any type of ad in any website you want to go. Our websites are safe to go, and you doesn't see any type of ads, which is very when you're doing studying or when you're doing your daily tasks, you don't want to see ads, and that is not you like to see. So that is the most best feature of Edge, and it is doing almost everything the Chrome can do. I think that you don't need any extension if Edge has only Edge has its own extension, which is very quite usable. You don't need another. If you're doing like software development and things like that, you don't need Chrome. I think you need it in some parts you need it, but as I am a student of computer science and I am doing my bachelor's and I am in my second year third semester, and till now I didn't need any Chrome extension, which is not available in Edge. So Edge is quite good for me. So that's it for all. It's a little bit of what I learned about JavaScript. I share it with you. So thank you. Like and subscribe if you like. Thank you so much.